Today's lecture, we're going to go over basic set concept. The first example we're going to look at it is expressing each set using the roster method. Example 1, set C is the set of US coin with the value of less than $1. So if we wanted to show A in a roster form, you're going to start with braces and write down the sets. So US coin with the value of less than $1. So you have penny, and you have nickel, and dime, quarter, and we don't see this often, but we do have half dollars. And this is how the roster set look like. So then example B, when we're reading this, we will read as X such that X is element of set N and X is even. So your N right here is the natural number, and we wanted to give the X as the even numbers. So then you could set with the braces. You can natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, but have to be even. So you start with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and more, right? All the way to, they didn't stop anywhere, so they don't have restriction of the limits. So it could continue to infinities. Example 2, we wanted to see which one of the following is empty set. So A, we have set of 0. So you do have one set inside. So this is not going to be empty set. What about this one, having a 0? Well, this is not even set. Why? Because you do not have braces. It didn't show you inside braces. C, we have X such that X is square with exactly 3 sides. Well, never seen square with 3 sides. Square is always 4 sides. So this is going to be empty set. So this is going to be empty set. What about the last one? You have empty set, inside set. So you do have one set inside. So if you wanted to show empty set, you do not use empty notation with the set. So for example, this one right here, we could say empty set like that. Or show nothing is inside of the braces. Example 3, we wanted to know whether each statement is true or false. So it said, the first one, R is element of given set. So if given set have A, B, C, and all the way to Z, it means every letter in our alphabet, then R is going to be element of that set? Yes. So that's going to be true statement. And what about if we have 7 is not the element? So this one is showing not an element of given set. So a set gives you element of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where you do not see any 7 in. So 7 is not the element of the set. So this is going to be also true statement. What about the set A is element of A and B. No. So that's going to be false statement. We do see A inside, but we don't see set of A inside. So if we don't have these braces, then this is true statement. But because we have braces, and this one do not have single braces for letter A, we will say that's going to be false statement. What about D? D, set of Monday, right? Monday being element of the other set, which is going to be X, such that X is a day of the week. Well, again, it's going to be false statement because you have set notations, right? So you're going to say this is going to be also false statement. What about if we have 4, 8, 9 is equals to 8, 9, 4. Well, I have 4 here, 4 there, 8, 8, 9, 9. You do have same elements, it's different order. Can we say that's equals to? Yes. So we will say this is going to be also true statement. What about if we have 1, 3, 5, and this is going to be 0, 1, 3, 5. Well, this one we will say not equals to. It cannot be equals to because this set do not have 0. So this is going to be false. The next one cannot be equals to because 4, 5 is there, but this empty set is not in the first set. So cannot be equals to, which this is going to be also false. Example 4, find the cardinal number of each of the following set. So cardinal number means find the number of element of given set. So if we're looking at the first one, set A, we have 7, 9, 11, 13 as the elements. And if we count how many elements is in set A, that's going to be 4. So your number of the set, cardinal number is going to be 4 for that problem. What about for set B? Set B, you have 1 element. You have 1 inside. So number of element in a set B is going to be 1. The third one, you have empty set. Empty set, the number of elements is going to be 0.